Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny and I'm glad you stopped by today. I've got a mountain of laundry to tackle and my challenge for you is to make it to the end and tell me how many loads I washed.
On our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover.
If you're new to my channel, again, my name is Jenny and I'm a mom of 3, and I believe we all face similar struggles as women, and my hope is to create content that motivates, encourages, and empowers us to face those struggles together. So if that sounds good to you and something you'd be on board with, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you along on this journey.
Reaching for the grand, as willows align, we lose track of time. At up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond known. A bigger scale the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond known. Dreamy, breezy, we go.
I hope you're feeling nice and recharged after this Christmas break and ready to face Monday, whether that's school or work or whatever you have that kind of like begins again on Monday. I hope that you are nice and recharged and energized and ready to take it on.
Got me feeling the air, and under these autumn leaves, what a breeze. Got me shaking and loosening up after all of your summer teas. Pretty please, we don't need to rush ahead or get too mad. Ooh, you persist fire, you hold rain, but you forget about staying sane. Oh, oh.
I share these videos with you never to show you what I can do or act like I have it all together. I absolutely don't. I share this with you to show you that you're not alone. If you ever feel like you're a bit like this drone flying around like crazy only to crash and burn, you're not alone. I feel this way too sometimes. Let me just encourage you today with this. The work you do matters because you matter. And all of the laundry and the dishes and the sweeping and the mopping, all that goes to create a loving and peaceful home for you and your family. And that is a high calling, my friend. When things get a bit overwhelming, take a break. Rest and recharge. Your family will be okay. My house isn't always clean, but as long as everybody's happy, I'm happy. Just know that whatever work you do decide to accomplish in your home, that it matters and it's worth the effort.
Forget about staying sane. Oh, oh, we know love
Now, my intent was to have all this laundry done by the end of the night. I wanted to finish by midnight and then go to bed, but sometimes those things don't happen, and sometimes it doesn't go the way we want it to go. And this is definitely one of those cases. I was able to finish washing the laundry before I went to bed, but I needed to save the folding and putting everything away for the morning because it just got too late. And so I prioritized going to sleep and getting my rest, and then I started over this morning folding all the laundry, and I'm so glad I did because I was able to wake up feeling rested and ready to start again.
To seek shelter, everyone's free, and the best they can be. Tall grass sing songs and trees play a symphony. Ooh, imagine what we would do. Happy days be our guest, happy days manifest. Together, put a smile on our faces, fill us up with your grace and make us better. Dress us for all weather. Abby's, I wonder who we'd be.
I took some time recently to do some fun things with the kids and also to plan out my channel content for the year. I am so excited to share it all with you. I'll be honest, just writing it all on the calendar got me so excited. January will be the month of decluttering and organizing. So each week you'll get one cleaning motivation video plus one decluttering and organizing video. I also decided to leave some slots blank on purpose, and these will be subscriber requested videos. So if you're subscribed and have a video idea for me, let me know in the comments and I can start filling in those slots.
Days manifest. Let's stand together. Put a smile on our faces. Fill us up with your grace and make us better. Dress us for all weather.
Loving these organizers that I got off of Amazon. They make folding all the tiny little things so much easier, and then I can just put them straight into the bins, and then the kids can carry their own bins to their rooms and put them away, and everything doesn't just fall all over the place when they try to pick it up. So I've been really loving these. If anybody likes these and wants to get them, I can put the link in my description box.
We will dance away.
Need more motivation? Check these videos out next, and make sure to follow me on Instagram at JennyForYourThoughts_. See you on the next one.
I can hear you within the silence.